In today's class, we are going to multiply 2 digits and 3-digit numbers using the partitioning method. Actually, we are multiplying the 2-digit and 3-digit numbers using a 1-digit number. Let's dig in. An important thing that you will need to succeed in this class is your good skill of the place value. For example, to multiply 79 by 4 using the partitioning method, you remember very well that for the number 79, the place value will read exactly this way. 7 is your tens place digit and 9 is your ones place digit. Now if I want to partition 7 and 9, the digits making up 79, it will be very easy for me to partition, and watch how I'm going to do it, because this is going to help you to solve partitioning problem. First of all, I can choose to write this as 70 plus 9. After all, 70 plus 9 is 79. Always give this kind of space. You will know why I told you to do so. Now, to multiply these numbers by 4 simply means that I'm going to be multiplying 70 by 4 in a bracket, and also I'm going to be multiplying 9 by 4. Did you see why I gave so much space earlier? Now, to multiply 70 by 4, just say multiply 7 by 4. 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. Now you bring down the 0. That gives you 280. And next thing to do is to multiply 9 by 4. That is 36. So all we need to do is to add 280 to 36. So I'm going to add both of these numbers, and that will give me my final answer. So if I add 0 and 6, that is going to give me a 6. 8 and 3 will give me 11. 1 is going to come here, so that 1 plus 2 will be 3. So it means that when I multiply 79 by 4, my answer is 316. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Am I correct? Okay, for 35, you can make it this way. The tens place and the ones place. 3 is in the tens place, 5 is in the ones place. So I can simply arrange 35 as 30 and 5. That is 30 plus 5, like this. Because I am multiplying by 9, all I will need to do is to distribute 9 to each of them. So I'm going to multiply 30 by 9 differently, and I'm going to multiply 5 by 9. I think this space is too much, so let me just try to reduce this space. Yeah. Okay, so if I multiply 30 by 9, I'm also going to multiply 5 by 9. So 9 times 3 is 27. So if I bring down the 0, this becomes 270. And 5 times 9 is 45. So to get the correct answer for 35 times 9, all I will need to do is to add 270 to 45. And that's going to give me a total of, here we have 5, 7, 4 is 11. I'm going to write 4. Sorry, 1. And then when 1 comes in here, 1 plus 2 is 3. So it means that 35 times 9 is 315. Sorry, I did not write the first one. The first one, our answer was 316. Wow, very close answers. Okay, let's try this same trick with a 3-digit number. 148. In a place value, in the 100 place, I'm having 1. The tens place, this is 4. And in the ones place, this is 8. So I'm going to have 3 divisions this time. So first of all, I'm having 100. I'll write it down here. 100 to be multiplied by 6. First one has been solved. Plus 4 is in the tens place. So this is going to be 40. 40 to be multiplied by the same 6. I've solved the second problem. And plus the next number is 8 ones. 8 ones will still give you 8. So it means 8 to be multiplied by the same 6. Did you see that I multiplied all the numbers by 6? Because 6 is the major multiplicand. Okay, 100 multiplied by 6 is 600. Plus, you can just make it easy for yourself. 40 multiplied by 6, you can simply say 4 times 6 is 24. Now add a 0, it becomes 240. And finally, 8 times 6 is how much? That is going to give us a total of 48, because 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 3 again is 24. So that gives us 48. So if I add these values together, I'm going to have bring down 8, bring down 8, bring down 8. Wow, that's an awesome number. So the answer here is 888. Easy, right? Let's finish up. This is 732. Since we already know the place value of each digit, you can just jump steps now. So this is 700. I'm using the expansion method somehow. Okay, 700. I'll be multiplying this by 8 because 8 is the number we're multiplying by. Okay, plus 30. It means 3 tenths, right? 30 multiplied by 8 plus 2. 2 simply means 2 ones. So 2 to be multiplied also by 8. So all I will need to do this time is 8 multiply 7. Did you get that? So when I multiply 8 by 7, I'm going to get 56. But remember, you have double zeros, so that's going to give you 5,600 plus 3 multiply 8 is going to give me 24. Put the 0 is going to be 240. Okay, plus 2 times 8 is 16. This one is easier. So let's add. Bring down 6 right here. 4 plus 1 is going to give us 5. 6 plus 2 is 8, and the 5 comes down. So our answer here is 5,856. 5,856. Can you try using this method to solve 767 to be multiplied by 9? Post your answer in the comment section.